Guys, we're at the Monument booth. We're here with John, Chef's Backyard. What are you cooking, my friend?
Hey, we're cooking all kinds of stuff today here at the National Hardware Show. We're cooking on the Monument Grill's Denali 605. Check out this grill, guys. It's got dual temperature zones. We've got some boudin sausage. We've got some Italian sausage. We got Wagyu sirloin steak. We are cooking veggies. Here's our veggie prep.
And
there it is on the plate.
All these sausages
Check out
are
the
made from
excited
Kansas City
fans.
meats in
They're
New Orleans,
tasting it. They're loving
Louisiana.
it. And it's all cooked on Monument Grills.
It's amazing. What do you like about this grill so much?
So what I like about Monument Grills is they're usually good for hot and fast stuff, but they also have some modular systems. If you can see inside of this one, they have this circle cut out, and they have some different attachments. They've got a pizza plate, they've got a griddle and a grill. And then over here, there's a griddle plate that fits into the cabinet, into the system, so it doesn't slide around while you're cooking and flipping your pancakes or eggs in the morning.
Wow, that's pretty amazing. So you're kind of doing a lot of things with one grill.
With one grill. And then this one also features the enhanced smart zone, where there's a temperature probe right under here on the grill, so it'll tell you what the grill temperature is. But you also have the temperature probes that'll tell you what the temperature of your meat is.
Wow, so I mean, you're cooking to perfection.
Yes, and check out the Clearview lid.
Oh yeah, look at that. Now, crazy. Quick question about cooking though. Why do you cook with the lid open now? You don't need it to cook inside? Or?
We're cooking with the lid open. We're cooking with the lid open because we're enjoying the show, right? So we're cooking hot and fast and just really paying attention to it. At home, I would probably cook with the lid closed because you get a little bit better thermal dynamics in there. Cook it a little bit more like an oven with a hot bottom, and to cook a little bit differently. Out here, we're putting on a show.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah. I just didn't know because I know some people cook with the lid open. And I know some.
Yeah.
One guy told me if you close it, it gets too internally hot, and you always then it cooks from the out or whatever.
Yeah, for sure.
All right. Cool, brother. So your Monument Grills all the way.
All right. Thanks,
Perfect.